Hello, everybody. Welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. This week, I'll be sharing the recipe of the spicy tandoori momos, a lip smacking fusion recipe that's a family favorite. To begin, prepare the dough for the momos. Take 1 cup all purpose flour in a large bowl. This would make about 12 momos. Add in half teaspoon salt and knead a soft dough using water. Brush it with a bit of oil, cover it and leave it aside to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. To prepare the filling, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan, add in 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, finely chopped, and 1-inch piece of ginger, finely chopped. Saute for a minute. Add in 1 medium onion, finely chopped, and saute until translucent. Add in 2 cups of finely chopped cabbage, half a cup of grated carrots, and 2 to 3 chopped green chilies. Mix well and cook until the water dries up. I prefer the chopped cabbage to the grated one since it has more crunch. Add in 1 tablespoon light soya sauce and 1 tablespoon green chili sauce. Cook again till the water dries up. Check the salt and add more if required. Leave aside to cool. Divide the dough into 12 equal portions. Roll them out 3.5-inch diameter circles. Make sure they are not too thin. The fried momos have a slightly thicker skin in comparison to the steamed ones. Place a wrap in the palm of your hand. Apply water to the edges. Add in a teaspoon of stuffing in the middle. Crimp the edges and gather them in the center for the desired momo shape. Heat oil for deep frying. Deep fry the momos until they are lightly colored. Fried momos work best for the tandoori momos because by frying they get a good texture and the marinade sticks to it. Also, steamed ones are too delicate and difficult to handle when marinated. To prepare the marinade, in a large bowl, mix together 2 tablespoons curd, 2 tablespoons besan or gram flour, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves, half teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon black salt or rock salt, and half a teaspoon garam masala. Mix well. Add in a tablespoon of lemon juice and mix well. Heat 2 tablespoons of mustard oil to smoking point and add it to the marinade. Mix well into a smooth paste. Add in the fried momos and mix until they are well coated. Leave aside for 5 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, heat the gas tandoor or place a grill over the gas burner. Take a skewer and assemble the momos on it. If you are using wooden skewers, be sure to soak them in water before using. Place the skewered momos on the grill and cook until they colorize. Baste with a bit of oil or butter for added flavor. The spicy tandoori momos are ready to serve. Garnish with onion rings and lemon slices. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.